gonna start with the major ring. You can just do like this one around your pinky finger, a half around your index fingers, and one around your index fingers. And then we go here and grab the yarn here, just put it up. And one more time. So in this ring, we are gonna do 6 single crochet. 1, and then mark the first stitch. And then once again, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we just go ahead and put this crow like so. Remove the stick markers. Do a slip stitch to join the round. Grab the yarn out. Make the yarn tight. And then make a chain stitch going to round 2. Here is the first stitch. You just go in here and then going to single crochet. And then mark the first stitch. Then make another single crochet in the same stitch. It's not hard with single crochet in the next stitch, 3 and 4. And then we do this in each stitch until we have 12 single crochet. Totally 12 stitch. Remove the stitch markers and make a slip stitch to join the round. Now change 1 to go into round 3. Be careful to only go the back loop. Here is the back loop, half of stitch. First, we do 1 single crochet and mark the first stitch. The next, to increase 2 single crochet, and next 1 single crochet, and next stitch 2 single crochet. We're just going to repeat this all the way around until we have 18 single crochet, 7, 8, and 9 single crochet, and 10, and 11, and 12, and 13, and 14, and 15, 16, and 17, and the last 18. Remove the markers and do a slip stitch to join the round. Make the yarn tight. Now round 4, we are going to increase in every third stitch. Change 1. And then here is the first stitch. Do 1 single crochet there and mark the first stitch. And here in the next one, do 2 single crochet here. 2, 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, and increase in the next stitch 1 2. Next, 1 single crochet, 1, and in next 2, 1, 2. We are just going to repeat this all the way around here until we have 24 single crochet. And in the end is a single crochet. Round 4 total 24 stitch. And then we remove the markers and make a slip stitch to draw it around. And we finish the border of the head of the jellyfish and cut the yarn. Then put the yarn out and tighten. Now make the border and the head of the jellyfish together.